Hi everybody. So knowing a scripting language like Python is a great tool to have in your cybersecurity and ethical hacking journey. So in today's video, I'll show you a few resources where you can learn Python for free. So let's begin. The first resource is a very popular book called Automate the Boring Stuff with Python by Al Swaggart. So what you can do to get the book for free or read it for free is just go to automatetheboringstuff.com, and there you can just scroll down the page or just click on the link right here, free to read, and you are taken directly to the contents of the book. Yeah. And by the way, the author has written several other books on Python. So if you would like to further develop your Python skills, you can also read those books for free right here. inventwithpython.com. So click on that link. And there you go. Some extra resources for you guys. Okay. So let's move on to the next resource, which is a book written by Charles Severance called Python for Everybody. And just like Automate the Boring Stuff with Python, you can find the book for free on its own website, which is py4e.com. And you can just click on book, and you can either, download the book or you just view it online. It's up to you. I would like to view it online right now just for the sake of the video. So I'll just go down here, click on HTML, and there you go. All right. And of course, if you would like to view some videos for the different chapters and, some extra materials, you can just go directly to the materials link right here. Okay, like this. And let's say we click on Y program. And there you go. So you have the chapter of the book, right? The first chapter, and you have some video lessons, and etc., etc. So let's move on to the third resource, which is Harvard University's CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python course, which you can find on edX.org. The course is, of course, free, just like Harvard University's very famous CS50 Introduction to Computer Science course, which you can also find here on edX.org. And now let's move on to the next and final source, which is the official Python documentation, which you can find on python.org. While you can technically learn Python here, obviously, this is the official Python documentation website, I would rather use this resource as a reference. Okay, so I would rather use one of the other resources that I provided in this video to learn Python, or some other resources that you choose to learn from. It doesn't matter. Use this resource right here, the official Python documentation website, as a reference, right? So when you want to look up stuff, it doesn't matter where you learn Python. Just make sure to bookmark this page, because it will come in handy. Trust me, it doesn't matter if you are just a beginner or a more, or you're more experienced in Python. Everybody, no matter level of expertise, okay, if I can put it that way, uses, the documentation. So this is it for today, everybody. If you found the video helpful, found some value, I would really appreciate it if you gave the video a thumbs up. And of course, if there's some other, great resources that you know about where people can learn Python for free, feel free to add them in the comment section below the video. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more videos on cybersecurity and ethical hacking. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.